I am Michael Carter, and joining me today running the demo, doing the heavy lifting, is Andy Holt, who's head of our sales support operation. It's no secret to anyone sitting in the room today that consumers' love for digital devices, laptops, smartphones, tablets, phablets, wearables, and more, has changed financial services. In response, financial institutions have attempted to keep pace by deploying a variety of solutions from numerous vendors to deliver the access and services that their customers want. However, over time, this approach has driven up cost and complexity while creating an inconsistent user experience. Some financial institutions are starting to find this approach untenable, and they're looking for a more strategic way to meet the needs of their digital customers now and in the future. We built D3 Banking for those banks and credit unions looking for a more strategic approach. D3 Banking is a single platform, single code base solution that provides a comprehensive set of banking services accessible from any digital device, be it a PC, smartphone, tablet, wearable, or digitally connected car. The D3 user experience was one of the first in the industry to incorporate responsive web design technology in a transactional environment to provide a consistent user experience across all digital access points. But we're far more than a UX. In fact, we tell our banks that if they want to do their own UX, we'll give them the source code for that. We believe the value lies in what happens behind the scenes in the plumbing where the hard work goes on at banks and credit unions. The D3 dashboard provides a collection of widgets that can be easily configured by the institution and personalized for the user. In addition to customers being able to access summary information regarding their accounts from the dashboard, they can conduct a full array of money movement services, such as bill pay, transfer, and P2P without leaving the page. In addition, they also can quickly and easily track, analyze, and plan their financial activity. Our account services provide customers with a complete picture of their financial position, including their internal bank accounts, externally aggregated accounts, and offline accounts. Contextual actions are easily accessible within each account to give the user an additional level of convenience when managing their money. As you can see, this account has been enabled with contextual actions such as check ordering, enrolling for e-statements, or other options. We use this same approach, contextual actions, throughout the solution. Our transaction services allow customers to see all the transactions from all their accounts or segment transactions by accounts. As you would expect, transactions are listed with merchant information and amount. However, using D3 Banking's proprietary algorithms, we also analyze every single transaction for every one of your digital banking customers and categorize them automatically with a 98+% accuracy. This allows the average customer to more easily understand their spending pattern, and users who want to take a more active role may customize their information by creating their own categories, splitting transactions, and so forth. The money movement services within D3 are customer-centric and therefore completely different than the approach widely used in our industry today. The traditional industry approach requires the customer to know the difference between a wire transfer, ACH, bill payment, P2P, A2A, and internal transfers. When we go to UPS, we do not care if UPS uses a plane, a truck, a train, or a boat to get our package to its destination, and customers could care less about how their money travels. They only want a certain amount to get to a specific party on a designated date. D3's money movement services are recipient and schedule-based, eliminating the need for customers to know how money is being moved, further simplifying the process for them. In addition, today, payment rail providers typically dictate the customer's money movement experience and control the data associated with the customer's activities. D3 Banking allows the financial institution to take back control of the user experience and capture all associated data from the customer's money movement functions. Using this data, banks and credit unions can consider least cost routing options while strengthening their advisory role by providing customers and members future cash flow and safe to spend information presented within our innovative timeline view. The financial planning services within D3 uses transactional data to create, present, and maintain a budgetary view for all digital bank users. Users may customize their budgets and identify and track their specific financial goals. Even if customers are not active in their financial planning, their data is maintained and available for financial institutions to use in providing value-added services to their customers. Using this data along with marketing automation services within D3, FIs can create campaigns that are personalized to specific targets within the customer base. In the example Andy is showing you, we've populated a campaign for a mortgage refi and revolving credit roll-up. The example you see presents the customer with a personalized offer that shows his precise monthly savings, not the usual save as much as one-size-fits-all campaign. Before we close, we want to show you D3 Control. It's our administrative module. D3 Control was designed specifically to allow financial institutions to take back control of the digital banking relationship they have with their customers. With D3 Control, financial institutions can set branding, add and update logos, choose icons, labels, fonts, and colors without needing assistance. And we're rapidly running out of time. So what I would do is invite you to come by the booth. We're 3933. Stop by for a full demo. We'll enter you to enter a new iPad Air 2 or a $100 Apple gift certificate. Thank you.